Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing to you a super spacious 3 BHK ready to move in apartment, and it's a semi-furnished apartment, which means you're getting certain furniture which I will explain further in the video. It's a ready to move in building with OC. So let's check the flat. You can see this is the living area, which is an L-shaped living area. And there are two balconies that you're getting in the living area. This is a standing balcony, and you can see the view is the amenities area and the clubhouse. So this view will remain as it is, and it will be further even more beautiful during the nights when all the lights are lit up. And you can see it's a huge hall with a proper L-shaped dining area. So if you want, you can also convert that dining area into an extra room in case if you need it, but I would not suggest you to do that because that will disturb the charm of the entire apartment. You can see this is the second balcony, which is a proper deck which has been given in the living area, which is attached to your dining space. Again, the view is pretty same from this balcony as well. And right opposite the balcony you have the kitchen. Kitchen will come with completely modular setup. Currently what you can see is this there is some damage which has happened to this modular kitchen setup, which will be completely repaired and given to you as a fresh modular kitchen. And whatever cleaning has to be done, that will be done once the apartment is booked. So this is an investor flat. You can see this is a huge dry space in which you can keep your washing machine. You can create a storage space. So the flat will be completely cleaned. In case if there is any issue with the painting, it will be painted. All the fittings will be done, and then it will be handed over once it is booked. And this is the passage area. So you can see on the left hand side you have the common washroom, and the basin is given outside the washroom, which is yet to be fitted. And the bathroom will come with all your high-end fittings, and this is the space for basin, which will be fitted later. And if you go a little further, you have this cavity space, so you can either create your temple or a ironing space, or you can create it as a cupboard. Totally depends on you. And then you have an additional storage space above, so which is rare to find nowadays in any new construction. You will not get these much storage spaces. So let's enter into the first master bedroom. So this is a master bedroom, which again comes with a standing balcony, and the entire apartment will come with fan fittings. Your ACs will be fitted in all the rooms. Lightings will be done. And again, from this bedroom you are getting the same view of the clubhouse and the amenities area. And this is a proper east-west flat, so it's a Vastu compliant flat in case if you're looking for a proper east-west facing flats. Let's check the washroom, the master washroom. So it will come with a glass partition. This is your bath area on the right hand side, and on the left hand side you have the basin and the WC. Let's see you outside the bathroom. So this is also an area which you can use and make it as a storage space. Here your basin will be fitted. So let's check the second master bedroom. So this is the second master bedroom. Again, it will come with your fan, tube lights, and one split AC. There is another standing balcony along with this bedroom as well. So from here you are getting a little different view, but again there is no obstruction of the view. You can see that the view is pretty open, and you're getting a view of trees and green zone from this particular balcony. So even though it's a lower floor, the floor is below 5, but still the view is pretty decent. You can see the false ceiling is done up in your living area as well as in your bedrooms. And let's check the washroom of this particular bedroom. So again, the basin is not been fitted yet. It will be done up and your tap fittings will be done, and then the flat will be handed over to you. So this is the passage, and let's check out the common bedroom, the guest bedroom, or you can call it as a children's bedroom. So this is a bedroom which does not come with an attached washroom, but it will certainly come with all your fittings like fan, tube light and split AC. So let's see the view. Again, from the balcony of this particular bedroom also you're getting the view of the clubhouse and the amenities area. And this clubhouse is one of the best clubhouses of Thane. Once you're visiting this particular property, we will take you to the clubhouse and we will show you what all amenities you're getting. So this particular tower is around 4 to 5 years old, and if you see the amenities, you will still feel that it's as fresh because it's very well maintained. So the entire complex has only 2 and 3 BHKs, and that too very large carpet areas. Like 2 BHK also comes with a carpet area of 1000, and 3 BHK comes with a carpet area of 1250 plus. So this is the hall. It's a huge hall, L-shaped hall, rare to find nowadays. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like the video, share the video, press the bell icon and show some love to my channel. In case if you want to visit this flat, you can give me a call on my given number. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys.